Okay, in this short video, I'm going to explain, hopefully, clearly, what does percent really mean? That word percent, it has some significance. And what's up with that silly symbol, that percent symbol? That actually has some significance too. So let's get started. Well, percent. First of all, we notice that it has two parts to this word. Let's look at this right here. Um, if we see these units, M is an abbreviation for meters, and SEC obviously is an abbreviation for seconds. Okay, so these units here are meters something second. It's meters, that slash means per. That's the mathematical symbol for per. Okay, meters per second. Well, that slash in mathematics is also sometimes used to refer to, say for example, you see 1/4. You think of 1/4, which is really 1 divided by 4. Per, the real meaning of per, or not real, the literal meaning of per is divided by. Meters per second is a rate. It tells you how fast you're going. Say you go 100 meters. Let's say you went 100 meters in 100 meters in 10 seconds. Well, to find out how fast you were going, you would take 100 meters and divide it by 10 seconds. And you would get 100 divided by 10, you would get 10 meters per second. Meters divided by seconds equals meters per second. So per means divided by. Now, that explains the per. Cent. The cent, that's a Latin root, and it should remind you of a certain number. It should remind you of a certain number. Percent, 50%, since we just mentioned, oops, I wanted to go to back to full page. I don't know why I did that. Full screen. Since we just mentioned, well, 50. So percent means 50 divided by something. 50 divided by, well, 50 divided by what? Well, let's see. I can think of a word. Think of a word that has cent in it, like perhaps the word century, or perhaps the word centimeter, and so forth. What do these two words have in common? That cent, that's 100 years. The prefix cent, if you happen to know the French language, CENT means 100 in French. So cent refers to 100. So 50% literally means, I don't know why I said that so slowly, literally, 50% literally means 50 divided by 100, or 50 divided by 100. And of course, 50 divided by 100 reduces to 1/2. It equals 1/2, or 0.5 if you wanted to write it as a decimal. 0.5. 50%. Everyone knows that 50% is half. You understand that conceptually. Where does that come from? It's 50 divided by 100. And there you go. That's the significance. Oh, the symbol. What's up with that silly symbol? Well, think of it this way. That slash is the divided by part, and then the two circle little things, O's, or I think of them as actually zeros. The two zeros in the 100. So the percent symbol has in it divided by, and then there are the two zeros in the 100. So there you go. The word percent actually has some significance. It's not just some random word, and so does the symbol. I think that's kind of cool.